Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the heart of what makes relationship truly thrive. Whether you are in a new relationship or have been with your partner for years, understanding these 5 pillars can strengthen your bond and help you grow together. So let's get started. The first one, trust. Trust is the foundation of every healthy relationship. It's about feeling safe, knowing your partner has your back, and being honest with each other. Without trust, misunderstandings and insecurities can grow. So, work on building trust daily by keeping promises, being transparent, and giving your partner no reason to doubt you. The second one, communication. Good communication is key to resolving issues and understanding each other's needs. This doesn't mean just talking but truly listening. Create a safe space where both of you feel comfortable expressing your feelings without fear of judgment. The third one, respect. Respect is about valuing each other as equals. This means acknowledging each other's opinions, setting healthy boundaries, and appreciating the little things your partner does. Remember, respect fosters love, while disrespect can lead to resentment. Fourth, support. Life is full of ups and downs, and having a partner who supports you make all the differences. Support each other's dreams, celebrate victories together, and be a shoulder to lean on during tough times. A supportive relationship builds confidence and a deeper connection. Fifth, last but not least, setting boundaries doesn't mean shutting your partners out. It's about maintaining individuality within the relationship. Respect each other's personal space, hobbies, and friendships while still nurturing your bond. These 5 pillars, trust, communication, respect, support, and boundaries, are essential for building and maintaining a strong relationship. Remember, relationships take effort and intention, but the rewards are worth it. Let me know in the comments which pillar you think is the most important in your relationship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more content like this, see you in the next video.